Oops, that ain't good. That's okay. It's an easy fix. Got a new one online, just like this. And this has lasted for 26 years. Hopefully this one will last another 26. I'll show you how to do it. All you should need for this is a Phillips screwdriver. And these bolts or screws, machine screws I guess, just come out like this. And the back is going to come off. Might be a little stuck. There we go. And the kit comes with a new lock handle, or latch handle, whatever you want to call it. It should work. Let's see if it'll work. Perfect. But this is a good time to clean this right here. So I'm going to do that first. Might as well do the outside. Put this back in. That. And the kit comes with different sized bolts or screws, so you just want to match them up to the old ones. But I don't want these to go too far into that handle. I don't want to break anything, so I'm going to use these. Put this on the outside, like so. This one, match up the holes, like that, and put the new bolts in. Just wiggle around. You definitely want to start them by hand because you don't want to cross thread them. And this one, get it started, and then you can tighten them. This can move around a little bit, so just make sure it's straight up and down. Make sure it looks good. Tighten these just enough. If you tighten them too much, it may affect the lock, but looks like it's going to work. And we can test it out. Cool. So, if you needed to know how to do this, hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.